Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm coming with a review and a wear test of some new products that I purchased from a Black woman-owned clean beauty makeup brand. The name of the brand is called Colé, and that's Amicole. And you can find her on Instagram under by Amy Colé. And this is a clean beauty brand that is made to celebrate melanin-rich skin. And I'm reading that from her Instagram because I wanted to make sure I got it right. This is very clean beauty. I got a set from them that they just released. I think they just released in May of this year, if I'm not mistaken, but I will link everything down below as usual. So if you want to see my review and demo and wear test of these beautiful products by a clean beauty brand, a Black woman-owned beauty brand, I hope that you would keep watching. So right now you can tell the difference. I can't really tell the difference between me applying it with a sponge on this side and then applying it with a brush. I feel like for a moisturizer or a skin tint, I got really good coverage and it did not take a lot. I probably could actually do a dot and a half instead of doing a full two dots, but I got really good coverage. Like if you look close, you can see that I don't have a lot of blemishes right now. I got some around my chin and it covered up really well back here, and the color is perfect for me now because of my summer tan. But definitely in the winter time, I would definitely switch to the medium 2, which again is the lighter shade. But I feel like you can apply it with a sponge or with your brush because of the way that it feels. Like it literally feels like it melted into my skin, which is always a plus with a face product like a foundation or a skin tint. I love the way it feels on my face. It's nice and light, but I still feel like I got some coverage. So I'm gonna finish my under eye and do a little bronzer, and then I'm gonna come back and try out the highlighter that came with this group as well. So all right, so I just added some mascara, some Fenty Eye Bright under my eye, and some bronzer on my eyelid and on my cheek, and that's it. So now we're gonna jump into this light catching highlighter right here. And please forgive me, the first half when I was doing the demonstration, I did not have my microphone on me, so I hope that the sound will still come through. This is what I get for not recording all the time. But I'm pretty close to the camera, so I'm pretty sure you can hear everything. But let's get into this light catching highlighter. This is in a balm stick, so you can see that comes right there. You can see that it's iridescent, and it doesn't have a smell, but it does have these nice little sparkles on there. So let me give you a taste of it on my arm. And you can see the shine. Can you see it? It's like right here. Let me do some more. So it's like right here. I hope that you can see that. So we're gonna put it on my cheeks, on the top of my cheeks, right here. And let me just see how this works. Ooh, it feels good. I really like the balm, and I like that it's giving me shimmer. I mean, not shimmer, but it's giving me highlight without a bunch of shimmer. It feels really good. It's not too sticky or anything like that. Let's do it on this side. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Ooh, look, y'all. Look. I love that. I absolutely love that. Look at this. I'm not even in natural light right now. I'm in front of a window, but I'm using my lighting. But look how it gleams. Ooh, look at that. I love that. And it's not tacky on my hands at all. So just patting it in with my finger gives you that little When I go outside, I'm gonna take a couple of photos or videos with this just to see how it looks so good in the sun. But dang, I could use like some more. Y'all know how I love highlighter. To me, more is more. So this is like really cool that it's highlighting my face without giving me the shimmer and the overly glittery look. So this is a highlighter for real. I love that. So I put some highlighter on my nose because I was going to do that anyway because that's just how I am. Y'all know how I love that. But look at this. Girl. Catch the light. I love that. So let's get into the last product in this package, and this is the lip oil, and it is a beautiful neutral shade. It does not have any sparkle in it. I wore this yesterday, and honestly, when I put lipstick on, this was still shining underneath. This gloss was still shining underneath. So this is a you know I need my glasses. This is a lip treatment oil, and it says a conditioning lip oil to gloss treatment that nourishes and protects the lips. So it's oil that turns into a gloss. So this is the packaging, like I said, right there. Then this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, right? Everybody loves a neutral gloss. You know how I feel about gloss. So let's just get into it. And a nice doe wand made for nice full lips. I love that. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, it is very shiny. Yes. I like this a whole lot. Let me get you up close. You can see the pigment. So as you can see, this is super duper shiny, but not overly so where it looks ridiculous. It gives you just a right amount of shine, and you can see that it has the color in there with the little pigment. Perfect for everyday wear. Amazing on deeper skin tones. But yeah, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It truly feels like it's nourishing and moisturizing. So I love that. I absolutely love the color. I feel like if you want to go deeper, you can put it with a lip liner like Chestnut from MAC or Quirk from MAC to give you a little deeper richness with it. But for me, with the whole style of this kit, this combination with the skin tint, with the highlighter and the lip, it all works perfectly together. This is truly what I would classify as a no makeup look, where you look put together, your skin looks snatched, you got some highlight going, you got some gloss going, and your skin looks better than ever. That's what I qualify as a no makeup look. So to me, this set actually is fitting the bill for that. Plus, it's all clean ingredients. It's all clean beauty, which we absolutely know and love. So glad to see a Black woman in this space creating this type of beauty products. So far, this is really winning me over. Now, I'm going to do a wear test because I didn't do a wear test yesterday. But it won't be super long because it is already 4 o'clock. It's already 4 o'clock. So 4:19 to be exact. So I'm going to do a wear test while I'm out running errands, get some photos of this in the sun so you can really see how it catches the light. And then I'm going to come back later on this evening and let you know how it wore, probably about 7 or so, because, you know, it's been a long day already. But as you can see, this is just really clean, really fresh, really great look for the summertime. This looks good. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I have worn this product for a little over 2 hours. It's 6:45 right now, so I've had it on since like 4:20. I went out, ran some errands, and as you can see from the video that I'm going to put right here, you can see how it looked in the sun. But this highlighter has really held up very well. Even now, I can see it a couple hours later. I don't feel like this oxidized heavy at all, because again, whatever is in this skin tint, it really just feels like your second skin, right? So it just settled in my skin nicely. I did not add any powder other than under my eye to set my concealer, so I don't have on a cake face at all. I mean, this is just my skin with that skin enhancing tint on it. You guys, this is flames, right? And I'm gonna wear it again. I'm gonna keep it on for a couple more hours because I have another video to film, and I'm just gonna film it like this. But overall, I'm really digging these products. I really feel like this is a look that I could do every single day. Like, this is something that you can zhuzh up a little bit if you want to add some blush, you want to add your lashes and stuff like that. But honestly, the complexion it's just the complexion and the highlighter for me, and the gloss, totally something I feel like I could wear every day. So let me know down below in the comments, as usual, if you guys have tried the Colé collection. This is what it looks like again. Can it focus? Yeah. This is what it looks like again. And let me know below if you're interested in trying the crew. Of course, I will link everything down below. Link her Instagram and the website and everything down below. I'm very excited to try clean beauty made by Black women for Black women and those with melanin in their skin. I think that's an amazing concept, and I wish her much success. But I am really just loving my face today. I'm really loving my face with these products on. It feels so light and fresh. It is so hot outside, and when I went outside, it felt like I didn't have on makeup, which I love. Who wants to feel a cake face when it's super hot? So overall, I would definitely give this product 2 thumbs up. It's definitely worth the price for me, for $60 for these 3 products, because a little bit goes a long way. But you can buy them individually, but y'all know how I do. I like to try before I buy, so I wanted to try everything. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Hi to my new subscribers. Thanks so much for hanging in there and rolling with me. I hope that you will tune in, because I have something else coming up really soon for you guys. Another new product launch that I'm excited to talk about. So until then, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and save and share this video, and I will see y'all very soon.